Let's start the making of another day in my life. And right now I'm going for my third swimming session. And बहुत लोगों को लग रहा होगा कि Prachi has been a sports person and how come she doesn't know how to swim. But yes, I don't know how to swim because I've had like acute bronchitis since childhood and that has always bothered me to लंबी सांस लेनी होती है ना. It has always bothered me while swimming and not that I have not tried. I've given 2 times very honest try before beginning with my current coach in Kochi. The name of my coach is Rose and yeah, so just got my new Speedo swimsuit because the rest were quite fancy and so just knotted down. It's a beautiful A-line swimsuit and this is the bag I'm carrying my almost everything after change for change. So yeah, let's go for the swimming class. Last time मैं जब गई थी ना तो मैं 10 दिन के लिए बीमार पड़ गई थी because of my I think the water went inside and you know, I got real bad cold, but hopefully I'll be fine and going to go to the next level of my swimming sessions, learning how to swim. Let's do it. Kundu is literally every time there with me when I'm traveling, when I'm using the lift. So, hi Kundu. So, ready to swim. I literally hate wearing this shower cap. इससे इतने बाल खिंचते हैं and ऊपर से I think it doesn't really make me look good. But it's a mandate before entering the pool, so I have to wear it. No other option. Let's go. Beautiful blue pool, and it's a huge pool. Let's go again. The blue and black us. We are not even visible. It's this way. Now it's visible.
Now you see.
Okay, I'll go. You can actually take it underwater also.
But with the frame, no?
Huh?
There's a waterproof frame.
It is no. This is like this one. It's also waterproof only. No?
I don't know.
Yeah, I think it is waterproof. Like this also.
Okay, anyway, you go now.
You also go inside taking the camera. Okay?
Sure?
Yeah, sure.
I'm not sure.
I am sure. Okay?
Alright, let me put my goggles. It's blinking again.
Blinking means it's recording.
Okay.
And if the frame goes black, then you tap on it.
Now.
It will come back. Okay.
Are you sure it's waterproof? Water
I'm
friendly.
ready to take the risk. I'll buy a new one.
Okay.
Ready?
Ready. Yeah, success.
Successful.
Yeah.
So this was our first test. for testing our GoPro underwater. Yay, test successful.
Do you want to see the video?
Thanks to Rose. So every time I stop the vlog, I say toodles.
Toodles.
Like how it's noodles. So we'll do something we'll take it underwater, okay? We'll do something interesting. Let's take it underwater. So we'll just go down and leave breath and come up, okay?
Bubbles.
Yeah. I don't know if I'll be able to be down, but we'll try. That was very small, but it's okay.
Backstroke.
Oh.
Back float.
Back float.
Yeah.
That I can't do without you. I need your help.
Okay. Coming.
So
Once
just
you
lie down, right? Okay. No, again.
let me stop and restart.
No, so you can just keep it here like that, let it record.
Okay.
But there's no light here. Let it be. Let's stop it. Right now.
Yes.
Right.
Start.
Did we get it? Ready. So had an amazing session with Rose. So you know what just happened? We kept our camera somewhere and it just was kept. And then after some time, Rose was like, "Where is your camera?" I was like, "It was just kept here." And then we got panicked because we couldn't see and there are hardly any people swimming. And then we were wondering if it would have fallen down. So Rose got my phone and then she went outside the swimming pool, just in that area, to check if it has fallen down. Yeah, drainage area. And then in some time there was this person with his son and he just got my camera from somewhere and I just thanked him. But the suspense still remains that how did my camera reach there?
So far.
So far. Anyway, we'll leave it on to see again and again ये light बंद हो जाती है. So we'll leave it on to speculation and not go into the detail, but that's something that happened, and this is our vlog being ended. Toodles. So you made it till the end. Cute. Now prove it. Like, share and subscribe. And stay tuned for more of my unfiltered chaos. Lots of love. Mwah.